just wanted to say we're very, very pleased with the quality of service and the help that we got with painting this RV. The paint was completely shot due to weather and smog-related issues. The paint selection from his painter was outstanding. He helped us select just the right paint, and I was very concerned that the RV was going to looked like it had been, painted by some non-professionals, but this rig was absolutely brand new now. Can't thank you enough. Your services were just outstanding.
You did a nice job.
Thank you.